welcome to the new Hyundai corporate headquarters, Rohan. What do you think? Awesome, isn't it?
Wow, this is so much more than awesome. Oh wow, you guys have an EV charging zone right here.
You know, this place has real sustainability at its heart.
So you can just charge your car while you give me a tour of your new second home?
Absolutely.
That is so cool. Come.
Rohan, welcome to a place that reimagines everything a workplace used to be.
Yup, and pushes the boundaries of what it can be. Where you are now is better. Fantastic. This is so streamlined. You're right. Sustainability is at the heart of everything you do. Look at this wall as you enter. This is a new age building that combines the best of technology and nature and pleasantly surprises you at every step.
Yes, connects you to the future and actually promises you a greener tomorrow. So no more boring walls to stare at.
Energy, Kritika. It's all about energy. Look at this. People have the freedom to sit anywhere and work, alone or together. Seriously, you guys are building what brings you together.
Yes, we have an open yet collaborative approach that inspires the teams to excel.
Exactly, and that gives the individual space to grow, explore, and evolve. It's uncluttered, so it gives people space for creativity. Honestly, it's truly incredible. So what if you want to have a conference or a meeting? Do you actually have so many spaces to collaborate, to think, to strategize?
So we have focus rooms, conference rooms, phone booths, open conference areas, and what's more, you can book it through an app. You name it and we have it.
Wow, that's cool. Hey, what's that? Training session, meeting. You get to sit here, a multi-purpose hall which is truly multi-purpose in every sense of the word. A new experience with unsurpassed value. And if hunger pangs strike, lunch here is a pleasure. No crowd, air, light, and a full stomach. What more can one ask for?
Yeah, it caters to your physical well-being and makes working here a dream. You know, this building fulfills the needs of your mind, body, and soul.
Well said. Let's eat. That's interesting, Kritika. Mind, body, and soul. The evolution of ideas and the vision of the future. The mind. A legacy of 25 years. The strength of collaboration and the spirit of unity. The body. The prosperity of humanity, the sustainable change and the flexibility, all the soul. This building truly lives, helps you feel connected, strengthen relationships and just get so much more out of life.
Not to mention unrestricted communication. Should you choose, it allows you to communicate with the entire building all at once, further strengthening our core values. We truly believe in collaboration of people while facing all the challenges to serve our customers across the globe. And then, Rohan, if you look around, you can say, this building is a living organism bustling with life, enlightened to deliver change for a better life.
Wow. Truly a change for the better. An inclusive place that takes care of its people. And obviously ensure that employee well-being always comes first.
We are great hosts, Rohan, as you can see. We make our guests feel welcome. Atithi Devo Bhava, after all.
Phenomenal. This is the pivot, the nerve center, where leaders never lose sight of the big picture.
Namaste. Welcome to the Hyundai Corporate Headquarters. Our new building resonates with our commitment to India, and it marks the beginning of a new journey of success and togetherness.
Rohan, this is an office built to inculcate the sense of team spirit, connectivity, and open interactions. And by the way, the whole building is earthquake 5-zone compatible.
Superb, yeah. Everyone must feel so safe and well taken care of. You know, I feel that people here work together, build together, and progress together. Honestly, the vibe here is just fantastic. One would think it's just a big global MNC headquarters. It's so much more than that. The open yet collaborative architecture makes this place a germination center for new ideas. The building resonates Hyundai's commitment to India, and this new headquarters is the incubation center for the new era.
Well, that's our new Hyundai. We hope you love it as much as we do. You're welcome to come and see us anytime.
And get some of that great coffee.